Today, I want to share why I've switched from Ring doorbell cameras to the Xiaomi Smart Doorbell 3. After using it for a while, I have to say, I'm seriously impressed.
Welcome to our home. Please wait until we open the door. If nobody opens the door, please wait and we'll respond soon through voice call.
I'll walk you through what makes this device so great, why it works better for me, and some of the surprises I found along the way. First off, let's dive into the specs. This Xiaomi doorbell captures video in crystal clear 2K resolution, which makes a huge difference. If you're like me, you want clear detail to see exactly who's at the door, especially at night. Xiaomi nailed it here with 2K video, and they've added 4940 nanometer infrared lights for night vision. So even in complete darkness, you still get sharp, detailed footage. Another big win for me is the field of view. Xiaomi gives you a 180-degree wide angle and a 107-degree vertical view, covering almost every corner of the entryway. This setup really reduces blind spots compared to other doorbells. Now, let's talk about mounting and security, which was honestly a pleasant surprise. Xiaomi decided to use a high-strength 3M adhesive instead of screws. Initially, I was skeptical, adhesive instead of screws, but this stuff is strong, and it's designed for theft protection. If someone tries to remove the doorbell, there's actually a forced removal alarm that sounds to alert you, and if you ever need to adjust it yourself, you just use a SIM card pin to detach it. No hassle with screws, and it sticks solidly to any door surface. Recharging is also super convenient with Xiaomi. It has a USB-C port, so no need for any special chargers, just the same cable I use for my other devices, and with its 5,200 milliamp hour battery, the doorbell lasts up to 4.8 months on a single charge. I was a bit doubtful about the battery life at first, but so far, it's holding up really well, and charging it is a breeze. Alright, one of the main reasons I switched from Ring was the cost and storage options. With Ring, you need a subscription for video storage. Ring's basic plan costs around $4.99 per month or $49.99 per year just for one device. Meanwhile, the standard plan costs $9.99 per month or $99.99 per year, which is way too much. But Xiaomi offers 3 full days of free cloud storage for motion-triggered clips, which is fantastic for checking recent activity without paying extra. And if you want more storage, Xiaomi has different plans, so you can pick an option that fits your needs without feeling like you're locked into one choice. Xiaomi offers $2.49 per month for a 7-day event video history and $3.49 per month for a 30-day event video history. If you compare it to the Ring plan, however, Ring has the advantage of up to 180 days of video event history for both the basic and standard plans, but it's more expensive. And here's something Ring doesn't include: a high-volume wireless chime. Xiaomi includes it for free. This chime is super loud at 79 decibels on max volume, so you'll definitely hear it when someone rings the bell, even from a distance. With Ring, you'd have to buy this as a separate add-on, so it's a really nice touch that Xiaomi includes it. And in terms of weather protection, this Xiaomi doorbell is perfect for my setup since I'm in an apartment building where it's protected. So I don't have to worry about outdoor weather. But for those of you installing it outside, just a heads up, it's not waterproof. If you've got a small overhang or some shade over your door, that should keep it protected, but it's something to consider if your door is fully exposed to the elements. All in all, I am thrilled with the Xiaomi Smart Doorbell 3. After using it for many months, it's affordable, easy to install, and packed with useful features. Switching from Ring has saved me money, and Xiaomi just feels like a solid upgrade, with things like 2K video, a free wireless chime, and the forced removal alarm for added security. If you're looking to add some smart security to your entryway without breaking the bank, this is definitely worth a look. I should also mention another Xiaomi model that's even better than the one I reviewed in this video, the Xiaomi Smart Doorbell 3S. This model wasn't available when I made my purchase, but it offers some great features for outdoor use. It's IP65 rated for water and dust resistance, making it highly durable outdoors. Plus, it's compatible with Wi-Fi 6, allowing for faster, lag-free video transmission. The Smart Doorbell 3S also provides an improved vertical viewing angle and supports both Alexa and Google Voice Assistant. If you're looking for a doorbell with these features and have a Wi-Fi 6 router, I'd recommend this over the Smart Doorbell 3. Have you tried the Xiaomi Smart Doorbell 3? Or are you thinking about switching from Ring or another brand? Let me know in the comments. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews and tips. If you like this video, check out other videos I made on Xiaomi and Ring cameras. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.